my friend recently, like, they got married like 2 years back, but the spouse and him, they live separately because he works at one state and then she lives in another state. So what documents they need to prove that their marriage is bona fide?
Well, if you're living one state and the spouse lives in another state, to prove a bona fide marriage, let me take a step back. To prove a bona fide marriage, you got to prove you live together and have a financial relationship. So if you don't live together, you're already like taking a step backwards. So certainly, you're going to want to prove your financial relationship and prove that you visit and see each other very often. That still may not be enough to prove it's a bona fide marriage. To me, the most important thing in the world, if I have an immigration issue, is getting my green card. That to me would be more important than a job, where I live, what I do for a living. To me, the most important thing in the world, in the short term and for my long-term prosperity, is get a green card. So to me, I would never do anything that would reduce my chances of getting a green card. So it's called sacrifice. So to me, I would figure out a way that the two of them live together, or the two of you live together. And if that means quitting a job and moving to another state, that to me is more important than a paycheck or what you do for a living. Because no sense in having a great job if ultimately you don't get a green card, you lose your job and get deported. Have a strong financial commingling of your funds and prove you visit each other often. But is that enough to prove a bona fide marriage? It may or may not be.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Thank you, Brad. Thank you.